think I'm gonna stop right here. This is comfy.
Des Moines, usual
DM.
spot.
He's got survivability expert.
Really?
I don't think so.
Yeah, he does. 50,000 base.
He might.
God, I really want to move up and fucking slam dunk on that DM.
I got something chilling out around this square here.
5 overpens in the Des Moines.
You know it. Henri. Shit, and a gearing right here.
Shoot the gearing, shoot the gearing.
Are those Stalingrad shells?
I'm radaring him, shoot him.
I think these were... no.
Turning guns around.
I think they might have this other Henri out at sea.
There's the Stalin. Oh, the Yami fired at me. I just know it. Bring it on. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. All right.
I spotted, putting on my radar.
He fucking citadels me. The only shot that hits.
Shema. Oh, I hit a torp on the Des Moines.
Gotta love that shit. Fucking piece of shit.
Des Moines at half. I'm proxy spotted by the gearing. I've got to go ways. I don't want that.
Nice shot on that Shima.
Shoot me. HIV shooting me too.
Careful, Yamato is aiming at D.
Yep.
Problem solved, sir.
Auto shells coming in.
Coming in at me, Montana.
Okay. Keep shooting this Des Moines.
Yeah, they weren't worth a damn. That's great. He can move pretty fast forward. Moving up. Gearing.
Shoot the gearing, shoot the gearing.
Yeah, he's behind you.
Boost activated.
Good hit, good hit.
No, I only got one overpen.
On fire. Problem solved, sir.
I'm spotted.
If I get in B, I don't think any of them can shoot me. Even
Maybe the gearing push.
well,
The Henri might be going around to B.
I'm gonna radar to drive the DD away. Okay, I hit radar, didn't get him. So he's over there. Up there he is.
There he is.
I just want to keep him away from me.
There's shipments right here.
That's cool.
DM, DM, DM.
Oh yeah, Ma shot at me.
Yeah, they don't have anything wide to shoot me, so I can just get in the cap.
Repositioning.
Who's doing cocaine on the microphone?
I thought it was Capri Sun.
It's me blowing my nose.
Capri Sun snot flavored. Where's that DM? I want to shoot him.
Okay, I'm gonna take it.
Alright, cool beans. Let's get... There he is.
Gearing,
Ooh,
gearing.
went backed up some.
We shoot that gearing. He's in the open. Good hit.
Nice, good shot on him.
Engine boost deactivated.
Your mouse is cross-shotting at us.
Ooh,
Somebody hit that Des Moines. Good shot. Nice shot.
Another one.
Getting this fucker.
All stations.
Focus is Des Moines is almost.
Target.
Ah, never mind.
He's
Your
about
Yamato's heading
5K.
towards C.
Do you have radar top scallop, or are you out?
That was it.
I got it in
Damn,
35
fuck.
seconds.
I should have called it. I just kind of impulsed it.
Nah, that's cool. It's cool.
Go toward A.
Stagger some shots at the Henry IV across the map. He's gonna see those shits coming. Yeah. Look at. No, that would have been a Citadel. Ah, fucking 26-kilometer shot. That would have been.
How's our health in the east?
Troll's at 27k, Rex at 54k, Minnow's at 29k.
Sounds good. There's a Des Moines. There's a Des Moines.
DM. Yeah, I got him. He's getting green pied. Let's go.
Kill him. Let's go. He radared me. There's a DD. There's a DD.
Gearing.
Nice
Woo,
shot. Nice
Citadel.
shot.
Nice.
You're
We shoot that DD.
Critical engine damage. Attention. Reporting the target position.
That's the life of the Henry.
Problem solved, sir.
I'm a Cap A.
Gotcha.
What's that Gearing's HP at?
70.
7K?
70.
7.5K.
He's running from me. I can't radar him right now.
No worries. Just grab A. I'll be right behind you. He can tort me all he wants.
Engine boost activated.
Okay, y'all can pull back from D. Just hold D is all we need to do.
Damn, the cop says, is that the Henry setting you on fire?
Yeah.
Oh shit,
Dude,
gearing.
why is he
Gotta
coming
go guns.
at me?
What's he doing?
What is he doing?
Concentrate fire on the designated.
Let's kill him. Let's go.
Main turret critically damaged.
Hydra's up. Oh, hey, look at that. Oh, Jesus Christ.
A nice wall skill.
Problem solved, sir.
Nice, good shit.
I'm popping my radar.
I don't know
Who's
why.
popping their what?
Why did he do that?
Minotaur's popping radar.
Cool beans.
Torpedo tubes destroyed.
Were you detected?
No, I just sudden shift right behind this island in front of me, so I thought he was sneaking up. Started hitting him with the Henry.
Y'all can just pull back. Henry, get off the border. Go back toward B.
God damn it. He was broad. His cap has been taken.
RPF is right there. I think the Shin was just out of my my radar.
Careful, Saints. Henry.
He's 11.5 away.
Fire on the designated target.
Ooh, just got out of my detect. That's great. One unspotted.
Pretty sure the Yamato's going for B. It's not a big deal. We have points now. We can just hold A and D and win the game.
The Shim is not spotting me. So
RPF.
he's out here.
Engine boost deactivated.
Ooh, got a Citadel on the Henry out in the open. About 24k damage. It's just a matter of waiting.
Waiting for that Yamato to get in.
Popping my spotters.
Okay,
There he is. I think he knows you're sitting there.
I'm just gonna sit in the cap. He can't take it. It's not a big deal. Everybody just run. We're good.
Oh, there's the Henry. I was wondering where he went.
Got
Stalin.
as well.
Don't shoot down the plane. No.
I mean, you're gonna want to be unspotted.
AP, Henry, AP. There we go.
Games on this map always take the longest because it's got 4 caps.
It's a battle of attrition.
That's the life of a Minotaur right there.
I'm getting out of here. Jesus Christ, I'm out. See you
I'm
guys.
gonna blind fire you. Careful,
The life
careful.
of a Minotaur.
Good, pause, good.
Way too close for me doing. Yeah, this is the life of Minotaurs getting one shot.
I've only done that a couple times.
And it's with the 600 games, lots of trial and error, man.
Yeah, yesterday I one shot at a minnow in smoke at like 20 kilometers in Stalingrad. It's full health, 5 citadel.
Yeah,
Nah, what the fuck was
sounds
that?
about right. Stalingrad scared the shit out of me.
Citadel to any eagle.
Yep. I've tried testing it with my old clan, and Stalingrad is my pure counter. Nothing I can do against it.
The Yamato's
all
looking
in the
at me, I
Henry.
don't like-
Henry can be dealt with islands, but in the open...
Nice job, guys.
No bueno.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Are we back at Typhoon 1? We are.
Yay.
I know I hit him right in the fucking cheeks. Nothing.